Hey guys, welcome to Shortcut Academy. My name is Bautista and I'm the founder of the channel. Today, I'd like to take a brief moment to explain exactly what we do here. And that's simple. We create short, focused software tutorials. So, if you have a question about the task that you have at hand, in here, you'll be able to find the answer for it. There's a lot of work that goes into making these videos. Me and my team spend our time researching the exact problems that people are facing, testing the software ourselves, and then scripting everything into a solution. Each video features a unique screen recording of our own workflow, so you see exactly how to get the job done. And if you have a question that has not been covered yet, do not hesitate to reach out, and I'll try to answer that personally, or even better, make a new video for it. If you find value in any of the content that you see here, do not forget to leave a like or subscribe. And see you out there. Let's get to work.